Okay, students, today we will have an introduction of alphabet, vowel, consonant, and semi-vowel, as it is the first lesson of English grammar in Gurukulam concepts. So, we will have an introduction here first. Alphabet is a set of letters of symbols arranged in a fixed order used for writing. You know that every language has an alphabet of its own. You know, like this in Assamese K, Kh, G, like in English A, B, C, D. These are. So there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Of these 26 letters, A, E, I, O, U, these 5 are vowels and remaining 19 are consonants. And you have to know that there are 2 semi-vowels out of these 19 consonants. These are Y and W. Okay students, now we'll go with word and part of speech. So now you have to know what is a word and what are parts of speech. A meaningful single unit of language made up of letters, either spoken or written, is a word. That means the single unit is made up of letters. Suppose boy, B is a letter, O is the letter, Y is the letter. Like this, using these 3 letters, there is a meaningful word, that is boy, and it is a part of a language. Boy is a, or when we speak something, if we use this, then this will be the part of a sentence. Like I am a boy. I am a boy is a sentence, and boy is a part, is not it. Again, words. The words are divided into classes according to their grammar, and each of these classes is known as part of speech. Suppose आप लोग ने ग्रामर पढ़ते वक्त देखा होगा कि एक सेंटेंस में बहुत सारे वर्ड्स होते हैं, तो वो सभी वर्ड्स उस स्पीच, उस सेंटेंस का पार्ट है। मतलब अब देखिए, आप लोग ने जो एक सेंटेंस पढ़ा है, वो सेंटेंस सपोज आई एम ईटिंग राइस, आई इज अ वर्ड, एम इज अ वर्ड, ईटिंग इज अ वर्ड, राइस इज अ वर्ड, तो सभी वर्ड का एक मीनिंगफुल वर्ड है और वो एक मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बनाता है वो मिलकर। सो ये सभी वर्ड है वो स्पीच का पार्ट है। Thus, every word in a sentence are the part of the sentence or the part of the speech. Like rice is noun, I is pronoun, eat is verb, like this. Okay students, we have just learned about part of sentences. Now what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words making complete sense. Like group of letters were called words, like group of words are called sentences, but it should be meaningful. Like I am going to school, all are words and makes a complete sense. The sun rises in the east makes a complete sense, but if it doesn't make complete sense, then we cannot call is a sentence, because in the east, in the morning, these are making sense, but सेंस इज नॉट कंप्लीट। इन द मॉर्निंग क्या हुआ था, इन द ईस्ट क्या है, वो कंप्लीट सेंस नहीं है, इसलिए इसको हम सेंटेंस बोल नहीं सकते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने सीखा लेटर, वर्ड, सेंटेंस और पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच के बारे में बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट। अगले क्लास में हम लेके आएंगे पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच इन डिटेल्स में। तो आप लोग को अगर पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच का कुछ नॉलेज चाहिए तो आप लोग इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन दबा के रखें, क्योंकि हम अगले क्लास जब लेके आएंगे तब सबसे पहले आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन पहुँचना ज़रूरी है। तो बने रहिए हमारे साथ कंसेप्चुअल एरेना के साथ। थैंक यू।